Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to draw something super soft, super cute and definitely super sweet. Adorable marshmallow drawing. And before we start, here is a tiny cute story for you guys. In a warm little candy jar lived a fluffy marshmallow named Mallow. Mallow was shy but had a one big dream to become the cutest marshmallow in the whole world. Every night he wished someone would draw him with a tiny smile, rose cheeks, and lots of cuteness. And guess what? Today is Mallow's lucky day because you and I going to make him look absolutely adorable. So, guys, grab your pen, pencil, and paper. Let's bring our sweet little Mallow to life. And our adorable marshmallow is ready, almost ready. Look how cute little marshmallow looks now, soft, smiling, and full of sweetness. I hope this drawing made your heart feel as warm as a fresh cup of hot chocolate. If you like this cute drawing, don't forget to like this video and drop a sweet comment and subscribe for more adorable art tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next cute drawing video. Till then, bye bye.